When our communities hurt, we come together. Here are a few moments of a team stepping forward to support families affected by the floods.
So we are Aroma Bliss Ceylon. Right now we have as of about 7 boxes full of clothes and all of that to be donated. That was put into effort by our co-founder Miss Achini, and then once she informed us the team that she would like to do a donation drive like this, we all came together.
ආයතනයක් විදිහට අපිටත් මේ දෙයට තනියෙන් දෙයක් කරනවට වඩා ඉන්න ආයතනයේ ඉන්න සේවකයන් සහ පිට ඉන්න අයවත් එකතු කරගෙන අපිට මේ දේ කරන්න පුළුවන් කියලා අපිට හැඟීමක් ආවා.
We spread the word through social media to unknown parties so they can give their used or wearable clothing, so we can send these over to the families in need. So these would be going into families in Kandy and in Polonnaruwa, where there are about 440 families. You guys can also come and donate any wearable clothing of women's, men's or kids clothing, any shoes, any stationery. So these will go through the correct channels to the families in need.
ඉතින් ඕගොල්ලෝ හැමෝටම අපි ආරාධනා කරනවා අපේ ටීම් එක ඇතුළු හැමෝටම අපිත් එක්ක ජොයින් වෙලා අපේ ලංකාවේ ඉන්න අපිත් එක්ක අසරණ වෙච්ච අපේ මනුස්සයන්ට උදව් කරන්න එකතු වෙමු.